It is time for a therapy segment where we offer up advice to someone's problem. Let's do this one, dear Tony. Some years back, I bumped into an acquaintance. I've known him for years. When we were younger, I wanted to be with him, but he never asked me to be his girlfriend. So I moved on. Years later, we bumped into each other only to find out that he was married but separated. I started to run like hell was after me, but I didn't. I stayed, and now we're getting married. See, the thing is that this is my first and his second marriage, and I don't want to marry him if he still has baggage from his first marriage. There's a lot to this, and if I go into details, I'll be writing a book. So I'll say this. He's a good man. I love him a lot. All I want is for him to get rid of the baggage from his first marriage so that we can be happy. What I mean by baggage is his ex put him through so much to the point of him getting his wages garnished and making his credit bad. I talked to him about it, but it seems to go in one ear and out the other. How do I talk to him so he knows how serious I am about the situation and not hurt his feelings? And if he don't get his business taken care of, there will be no wedding. Do I really walk away if he don't get his business taken care of? Well, I'll tell you this. You say what you mean what you say. If you say you're not going to marry him until he gets his baggage taken care of, then don't marry him. And if it goes in one ear or out the other, he'll get the message when you give him the ring back and say, hold on to this until you get your baggage straightened out. Tell him that. You've told him that over and over again. Now it's time to be serious. Look him in the eye. Tell him I'm serious. I don't want to marry until you get that situated, if that's how you feel. Now, don't say that to him, and then he, blows your back out one night, and then you're ready to walk down the aisle in the morning. Don't do that. Stick to your guns if that's how you feel. Say what you mean and mean what you say. That's my advice. What does Tammy think? What do you think? You got some better advice? I'd love to hear it. 556-6104. Your calls are coming up on Magic 104.9.